Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I made this bralette out of denim pants and I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. So starting off, I'm using this old denim pants that I've had for a while, which is of no use. So I'm going to cut out two rectangular shapes out of it. So these were the two pieces I cut out of the pants. Then I'm going to cut the waistband as well, because that's what I'm going to use to attach the other pieces that we just cut out, which you would see in a moment. So the next thing I did was put the waistband around to see where I wanted to place it, and then using my tape measure, I'm just going to measure the strap. So when I measured, it's about 27 inches, but I just decided to add a few more since I will be tucking some in. So now I have to prepare the straps. So using my hem net, I'm going to use that to just neaten the edges of the pieces we cut out. So I went ahead and did the rest off camera, and this is what they both look like. Then the next step would be to attach it to the waistband. So the rectangular strap is actually 28 inches as we measured. So I'm just going to attach the first one to one side of the band, and then I'm going to pin it down. Then I attach the other side to the back of the waistband. So initially I wanted to use the hem net to quickly glue it together, but the denim, like, it was just a bit too thick. The denim was too thick, so it was a bit hard. So I decided to use like a needle and thread to just sew all around. So you're basically going to use your needle and thread to sew the parts where we have pinned, just so it's like attached to the band itself. So with the sewing bits, you just have to put on a movie or something so you're not bored. So I was actually watching a movie and I just sewed it on, so that way you don't feel the pain or realize that you're taking so much time doing it. So yes, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check my blog to see how I styled this. And also don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.